Hello students, today we are going to learn a new concept, that is area of triangle when the vertices are given along with the coordinates. So here I am taking the triangle ABC with coordinates for the A x1 y1, coordinates of the B x2 y2, coordinates of the C are x3 y3. Then our area of triangle ABC will be the having formula 1 by 2 into x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. Now coming to the exercise 7.3, in first question we have to find the area of triangle. They given three vertices ABC. Let's take them as ABC. So A having coordinates 2 3, B having coordinates minus 1 0, and C having the coordinates 2 minus 4. Okay, using the area of triangle formula, so substitute the values 1 by 2. Okay, what is x1? X1 is 2, y2. So if you want to mention, you can mention here x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay, so here y2 is 0 and minus is there, minus. Here y3 is minus 4, so you write it minus of minus 4, bracket close, plus x2 is minus 1, so keep it in bracket. So y3 is minus 4 minus 3, because y1 is 3, plus x3 is how much? 2. y1 is 3 minus y2 is 0. Now open the bracket. 2 here 0 minus of minus means minus into minus, it will be plus 4 plus 0 we will get again 4 only, plus minus 1 here minus 4 minus 3, so it will be minus 7. Okay, plus 2 into 3 minus 0 means 3 only. Okay, now 1 by 2, do the multiplication. 2 4 is 8, plus minus into minus again plus, 1 7 is 7, plus 2 3 is 6. See here, you can't divide 2 and 8, okay, because it is in bracket. First you open this bracket. 1 by 2 into 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 6, it will be 21. So 21 is not divisible by 2, so directly multiply with 1, it will be 21 by 2 square units. So area of triangle ABC, we got 21 by 2 square units. Now second question, first main second question, they given 3 points, I am taking them as PQR. So now using the area of triangle formula, substitute the values 1 by 2. So here mention them x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay, now substitute the values. X1 minus 5, y2 that is also minus 5, minus is there, minus, y3 2, plus, so always keep the negative number in bracket. X2 that is 3, y3 2, minus y1 is minus 1, so here already one minus is there, so keep it in bracket, minus of minus 1, plus x3 5 is there here. Okay, y1 minus 1, so minus, y2 again minus 5 is there, so minus of minus 5. Now 1 by 2 minus 5 into, see here minus 5 minus 2, we will get here minus 7, plus 3, so 2 is there, 2 minus into minus plus 1, plus 5 of minus 1 minus into minus plus 5. Again still few brackets are there, open them, minus into minus plus 5 sevens are 35 plus 2 plus 1 3 3 threes are 9 plus here minus 1 5, so 5 minus 1 we will get here 4 4 5s are 20. Now add them, 35 plus 9 44, 44 plus 20 64. Bracket means here multiplication, so keep it in multiplication sign. So now 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 2s are. So area of PQR equal to 32 square units. In second question, in each of the following find the value of k for which the points are collinear. So what is the meaning of collinear? Collinear means the all points lie on a same line. Okay, so in first sub question they given 3 points, so let them as A, B, C with coordinates. Here they given points are collinear, then our area of triangle ABC becomes 0. Area of triangle becomes 0 because on a straight line how is it possible to get the area of triangle? No. So that's why area of triangle ABC equal to 0. So now use the formula area of ABC. So 1 by 2. See here one shortcut I will show you how to write the formula. 1 2 3, again 2 3 1 3 1 2. Okay, in first letter always x, x1 x2 x3. Next second letter will be y2 minus y3 plus y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. So this is our easy method to write the formula of area of triangle. So now let's take these coordinates as x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Substitute the values. Already we know area of ABC is 0 because points are collinear. Now 1 by 2 x1, what is x1? 7. y2 is how much? 1 minus y3 is how much? K plus x2 is 5, y3 again k minus y1 is minus 2, so minus of minus 2. x3 is 3, y1 is minus 2, y2 is 1. Okay, so take this 2 to left side, it becomes 2 into 0 0 equal to. Now 7 ones are 7 minus 7 into k 7k plus 5 of k minus of minus plus 2 plus 3 minus 2 minus 1, what you will get here? Minus 3. Now 7 minus 7k plus into plus 5 into k 5k, 5 into 2 10 plus into minus minus 9. Okay, so take like terms one side. So here I will take 7k to left side, it becomes plus, and 5k becomes minus, so 5 minus 5k, and what left? 7 plus 10 minus 9. 7k minus 2k, sorry, 7k minus 5k, it will be 2k equal to 7 plus 10 17, 17 minus 9 8, then k equal to 8 by 2. So taking 2 to right side, it becomes divisible. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So k equal to 4. So this is our final answer. Now coming to the second question, I am taking the vertices as x, y, z along with the coordinates 8, 1, k minus 4, 2 minus 5. Okay, so points are collinear here also. Area of x, y, z equal to 0. Okay, so using the formula area of x, y, z equal to 1 by 2. So you can take any alphabets here, or else you can directly take area of triangle also. So here I am taking x, y, z, so I am writing area of x, y, z 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, so give the name here x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay, so now area of xyz becomes 0. Here 1 by 2 is there. Okay, x1 is 8, y2 minus 4, again minus of minus 5 plus x2 k, y3 is minus 5 minus y1 is 1 plus x3 is 2, y1 1 minus y2 is, that is also minus, so keep it in bracket, minus of minus 4. Now take the 2 to left side, it becomes 0. So next 8 minus 4, minus into minus, plus 5 plus k into minus 5 minus 1, it becomes minus 6 plus 2, 1 minus into minus, plus 4. Okay, now 8 minus 4 plus 5, it becomes 1 plus into minus 6k, k into 6, 6k plus 2 into 1 plus 5, 4, it will be 5. So on left side 0 is there, keep on writing that. 8 ones are 8 minus 6k plus 2 5s are 10. So 8 plus 10, it will be 18 minus 6k. So take the 6k to left side, it becomes plus 6k equal to 18. So k equal to 18 by 6. 6 ones are 6 3s are. So k equal to 3. This is our final answer. Find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0 minus 1, 2 1 and 0 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. So here we have to use the midpoint formula to find the midpoints of those vertices, as well as we have to use area of triangle formula also. Let's take given vertices as ABC and their midpoint. So I'll take here midpoint of ABBP and midpoint of BCBQ and midpoint of ACBR. Okay, so if you join these three vertices, means if you join the midpoint of these lines, you will get again one triangle, that is PQR. So first we have to find the area of this PQR. Afterwards we have to compare the ratio of areas. Okay, so for that, coordinates of midpoint P, so we have to use the midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, so P equal to x1. For this we have to take x1 0 plus x2 as 2, so 0 plus 2 divided by 2, y1 will be minus 1 and y2 will be plus 1 divided by 2. So here we will get 0 plus 2, that will be 2 by 2, minus 1 plus 1, it will be 0 by 2. So p of 2 ones are 2 ones are, so 1, and 0 by 2 will be 0. So coordinates of p will be 1 comma 0. Similarly, coordinates of q will be here x1 y1 x2 y2, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2 by 2, 3 plus 1 by 2, 3 plus 1 by 2. So here q of 0 plus 2, 2 by 2, 3 plus 1, 4 by 2, 2 ones are 2 ones are, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So q of 1 comma 2. Next, coordinates of r, 0 plus 0 by 2, 1, minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So 0 plus 0, it will be 0 by 2, minus 1 plus 3, it will be plus 2 by 2. Okay, so r of 0 by 2 will be 0, 2 ones are 2 ones are. So next coordinate will be 1. So r of 0, 1 are coordinates of the r. Now, using these coordinates of PQR, we have to find the area of that PQR triangle. So using the formula PQR equal to 1 by 2 x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. So substitute the coordinates respective PQR. So for the x1, so what it will be? It will be 1. So y2 will be 2 minus 1 plus x2 will be again 1, y3 will be 1 minus 0 plus x3 will be 0, y1 is 0 minus y2 is 2. So 1 by 2, 1 into 2 minus 1, 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0, 1, and 0 into something will be 0. Here we will get 1 by 2, 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1, 2, 2 ones are 2 ones are. So area of PQR equal to 1. Okay, let's take equation number 1. Now next they asking the ratio. Okay, here don't forget to write square units. Okay, areas ratio, for this we need to find the area of triangle ABC. Now you have to take 0 minus 1 as x1 y1, 2 and 1 as x2 y2, 0 and 3 as x3 y3. Okay, so substitute in the values. 1 by 2, x1, that what is that? 0, y2 is 1 minus 3 plus x2 is 2. Okay, so next y3 is 3 minus y1 is minus what we will get? Minus of minus 1 plus x3 is also 0, y1 is minus 1, y2 will be minus 1. Okay, so 1 by 2, 0 into something will be 0 plus 2 of 3 minus of minus plus 1 plus 0 into something will be 0. So 1 by 2, so 0 0 have no values, so use the 2 into bracket means into 3 plus 1 4. So here we will get 1 by 2 into 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2 4s are. So our answer will be 4 square units. Now final answer, area of PQR is to area of triangle ABC. We have to find the ratio of their areas. So area of PQR, how much we got? 1 square unit. So 1 is to area of ABC will be 4. So our answer will be 1 is to 4. Now fourth question. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 3 having the coordinates. So here I am taking these as A, B, C, D. So after drawing we will get any one quadrilateral along with the ABCD vertices. So we know the area of triangle formula, but we don't know the area of quadrilateral. So for this we have to make this quadrilateral into two triangles. So what I will do, I will join D and B. So we will get here one diagonal, that is BD. So automatically we will get here two triangles. So one triangle is ABD and the triangle is BCD. Now to find the area of that quadrilateral ABCD, we have to add area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. So using the area of triangle formula, substitute the values. So first use the ABD vertices, ABD, taking the coordinates as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay. So area of triangle ABD, here we will get 1 by 2 x1, so it will be -4, y2 will be -5 -3 plus x2 will be -3, y3 will be 3 minus y1 will be minus of -2 plus x3 will be 2 and y1 will be, so here y1 -2 minus y2 will be minus of -5. Similarly, now taking the area of triangle BCD. Okay, you can do separately also. Here in one equation only I am doing. You can do separately ABD area and BCD area and afterwards add them. Now area of BCD. Okay, so taking it as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay, so 1 by 2 x1, so it will be here -3. Okay, y2 will be -2 -3 plus x2 will be 3, this is x2, and y3 will be 3 minus of -5 y1 plus again x3 will be 2, y1 will be -5 minus y2 will be -2. Okay, so now solve the first formula, -4. Now solving -5 -3, here we will get -8 plus -3, 3 minus of -2, it will be 3 minus of minus will be +2 plus again 2 -2, here minus of minus will be minus into minus plus 5. Next plus 1 by 2 -3, -2 -3, it will be -5 plus 3 of 3 minus of -5, it will be minus into minus plus, so it will be 3 plus 5 plus 2 minus 5 minus of minus plus 2. Okay, so now solve here. 1 by 2 -4 into -8, it will be minus into minus plus, 4 8s are 32. Again 3 plus 2 5, 5 3s are 15, here minus is there, minus into plus minus plus minus 2 plus 5, it will be 3, 3 2 is 6, plus, now solving this one, 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 3 5 is 15 plus 3 plus 5 8, 8 3 is 24, and here minus 5 plus 2, it will be minus 3, minus 3 into 2 minus 6. So now 1 by 2 into 32 plus 6, it will be 38 minus 15 plus 1 by 2, 15 plus 24, it will be 39 minus 6. So here 1 by 2 into 38 minus 15, it will be 23 plus 39 minus 6, it will be 1 by 2 into 33. So first we multiply 23 ones are 23 by 2 plus 33 into 1, 33 by 2. So here denominator is same, no need of doing the LCM. 23 plus 33, it will be 56. 2 ones are 2, 2s are again remaining 1, it will be 8, 2 8s are 16. So our final answer will be area of quadrilateral will be 28 square units. This is our final answer.